Welcome to TeamOB's Workforce Productivity Platform, a powerful solution designed to optimize how your people, tasks, and time come together for measurable growth. Today's businesses face a common problem: you simply can't improve what you can't measure. Managers struggle to track employee effort, teams work in silos, reporting is manual, and visibility is limited. The result? Lost productivity, inefficiency, and missed growth opportunities. That's why we built TeamOB's Workforce Productivity Platform, an all-in-one solution that brings visibility, accountability, and clarity across your workforce operations. This platform goes beyond basic attendance tracking. It captures real working hours, manages tasks, offers Kanban boards for easy workflows, visual KPI dashboards, time versus work analytics, and provides API integrations for seamless connectivity. And with our custom dashboard designer license, you can create the exact view you need and share it across your team. Whether you're a CEO looking at the big picture, a manager tracking a department, or a team lead monitoring individuals, TeamOB gives you a unified view of workforce performance in real time. It's not just about tracking time, it's about connecting time with output. See exactly how much time your teams are spending, and what's getting done. Spot your top performers, identify bottlenecks, and make smarter decisions with data that speaks clearly. Our Kanban board makes everyday task management effortless. Teams can visualize their to-do lists, move tasks through stages, and stay aligned with their goals, whether they're working in-office or remotely. And here's what sets us apart: every business is unique, and so are their reporting needs. With TeamOB's Dashboard Designer, you get a license to create customized dashboards that combine data from across modules, all shared seamlessly with your team. Managers love the visibility. Teams love the simplicity. HR loves the automation. With TeamOB, there's no more dependency on Excel sheets, no more manual tracking, and no more guesswork when it comes to productivity. Ready to see TeamOB in action? Book a live demo with us today.